Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I will share with you a few key indicators that can help us recognize sincerity in others. In a world full of interactions, it's important to understand whether the people around us are being genuine or not. Here are a few signs you can observe. The first sign is nonverbal communication. When a person speaks the truth, their body and body language usually align with their spoken words. Indicators such as synchronized gestures, open body posture, and eye contact can suggest sincerity. The second sign is consistency. Genuine individuals tend to express consistent beliefs and values over time. If you notice someone frequently changing their statements or behavior, it can be a warning sign that they are not being sincere. To be continued in the second part. Continuation of the second part. The third sign is emotional reactions. When faced with the truth or when speaking the truth, genuine individuals typically display authentic emotions such as sadness, joy, or fear, while liars often struggle to exhibit genuine emotions. The fourth sign is storytelling consistency. Liars often get tangled in their stories as they try to keep up with fabricated details. If you notice contradictions or changes in their narrative, there is a high chance that person is not being sincere. And finally, the fifth sign is intuitive feeling. Sometimes, our intuition can provide the strongest signal of someone's sincerity. If you have a strong gut feeling that something is not right, trust your instincts.